What's up guys, welcome back to your channel where we break down crypto mining projects step by step and you get updates about the existing mining project. Also, this is not a financial advice, it's just to find a way to make money together online. In this video, I'll be explaining a new crypto wallet exchange which is fully functional and they have their own native token, and their native token is really high in demand right now. So I'll be explaining in this video how you could mine for free and also benefit from their native token, and a lot of benefits too on the wallet. So just watch as I explain everything in this video. When you click the link in the description box below, it's going to bring you straight up here. The next thing to do here is to enter in your username, email address, password, then confirm the password and click on I agree, and then you click on register. So once you click on the register button here you need to get a code, so you click on get code, then they will send you some code in your email address. So all you do now, you can see here verification code sent. So all you do now is go straight to your email. If you don't see it in the inbox, all you do is just come over to the spam folder, there you will see the email. Here I've just copied the code now and I paste it, and I'll just be clicking on the verify email. Congratulations, I've just verified my email. The next thing to do here before you could perfectly use the site is for you to download it on Google Play Store. So I'll be putting the link in the description box also. You can click that and download it like this, then you log in properly. So now we are officially on the site. The first thing you notice here is this $109. That is the price of their token, their native token. As you can see, it's pretty high. When I click on the menu here, you can see next to my name here, it's the unverified. So if you click on it, to get verified, it's simple. Just get a $2 worth of their native token in your wallet and then they'll verify you automatically. So that's by the way, but if you don't verify the wallet, it's fine, you're good to go, there's nothing wrong with it. So let me just take you through the other process. Now to start mining, all you do is click on more here and you can see the mining here. They have other things you could look out for here, but in this video I want to really stretch on the mining. So once you click on the mining here, they have two options for you before you start mining. The first one, you don't need to make any payment, but if you're mining with this, any referral bonuses and all the USDT you need to earn from your referrals, it's gone, so you don't need to mine. So all you do is just click on the first one and then notify interest, then you go straight to the mining. But the second one here, you need to pay at least 1.5 USDT, that is $1, 5 USDT, for you to start mining with this. And if you mine with this, you'll be getting their native token and also 1 USDT for each referral you refer. So if you feel like you want that one, it's all fine. I clicked on that one because I love to take reasonable risk and they really work for me very fine. So once you click on start mining here, it's going to mine the same way it's mining for the people that don't make payment. But if you want to benefit from this also, you can also come over to the finance under the more. So you click on receive. So on the receive now, they have different tokens here which you could deposit, but I prefer to deposit USDT. So I picked the USDT BEP20 because if you're picking the TRC20, they will deduct $1, so you don't want that. So just pick the BEP20. So now I made a deposit of $4 and it took 1.5. If you like to do that also, it's your choice, but I just love to take reasonable risk, you understand. So moving forward, there are other ways to earn on this platform aside from the mining. So all you do is click on the menu here and come over to the tax center. So when you get to the tax center here, there are lots of tax you could do to earn yourself free token. The first one here is download and create the UFC wallet, which we just did right now. So I'll be clicking on the claim here and you can see I've successfully claimed 2 FMT token, because that is exactly what we are mining also. If I go back to the wallet now, you will see that I have claimed $2 worth of UFC token, which is not what I claimed, but they converted this FMT token to UFC. So coming back to the tax section here, there are lots of tax you could do in order to earn this free FMT token, like following them on Twitter, following them on Facebook, checking out their YouTube channel and all those stuff. So you could get all these opportunities just to get the free token. And believe me when I tell you, if you take your time to mine and exchange token, you're not losing, for real. Take Binance for example, or you take OKX wallet for example. People that mined their free token then, or people that bought when the token was very little then, they are making a lot of profit today. A lot of profit. You understand what I mean? So when we bring this kind of opportunity to you, if it's free, then take opportunity and earn yourself good chance in making good financial freedom. If you're still with me on this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, join the Telegram channel for fast updates. See you all in my next video for more updates. Stay blessed.